Hey guys, today I've got a 2014 Buick LaCrosse. This vehicle, you can see I've already got the front seats out here. There is a lot of garbage on the floor here. You can see stuff all over, makeup, lipstick, things on the floor. So I'm gonna hit this vehicle here today. Gonna shampoo. She wanted level 2, so we got the seats out, gonna vacuum, gonna shampoo. Problem is, you can see I'm sweating pretty good here. It is about 88 already this morning. It's only 10 o'clock. And it's supposed to hit about 90 today with a dew point of about 75. So it's gonna be a hot one today. So my biggest concern with this, not so much the cleaning, I got a lot of work to do here. I can get that done, no problem. For me, it's drying this vehicle out once it's done. My shop here, it's got the big garage doors open. I don't have air conditioning in here, so I'll get the big barn barrel fan going in it. Hopefully it gets dried out tonight because you hate to leave any dampness in the vehicle when you're done. So hope you enjoy the video. All right, so after getting this first front driver's side well done, I got pretty high hopes for this carpet in here. It seems like it's pretty good quality. A lot of the dirt, or most of the dirt, came out really easily. Was able to hit that vacuum really hard. You can see here I'm already sweating pretty good. Well, you can also see one of my hats for the business here, for my, I call it a business, but it's really a side hustle. I did incorporate it as an LLC, but my W-2 job pays the bills, and this is not gonna replace my full-time income anytime soon. So this is just kind of a side hustle thing I do a lot in the summer. One thing that will be happening here though, probably come August next month, is I'll be cutting back my uploads to about every other week, just simply because of the fact that I coach a fall sport, and there's just no way I'm going to have enough time to be able to do one video per week, unfortunately. So I'll probably cut it back to one every other week, and then hopefully once the fall season is done, I'm able to crank those uploads back to once a week, and you guys are able to keep clicking on these and giving me views. And as I said before, I'm not monetized on YouTube yet. I don't have 1,000 subscribers, so go on down, hit that subscribe button. Let's push that up. I'm at 350 maybe right now, something like that. So let's push that up over 1,000. As I get started working on the seats, I use my Chemical Guys lightning fast stain extractor. I use the drill brush, but this fabric is almost like a suede type of material, so I don't press very hard. Same with the extractor. I don't over soak the material. You can see it getting wet there a little bit, but I do almost a finesse type job instead of sometimes you'll see me just really push into stains. This one I'm very light over the top of the material, and any little stains, any spots in this fabric came out very easily.
I always say the center console is the dirtiest place in a vehicle, but you can see there that headrest was awfully dirty as well. The floor mats in this vehicle weren't the all-weather variety, but they still did a pretty good job of protecting the fabric or the carpet underneath. So I used my Chemical Guys stain extractor again in the drill brush, and I hit more along the edges around where those carpet mats weren't hitting to really get some of those stains that were kind of nestled down in there. But this carpet is really good quality. I feel this Buick carpet fabric some of the best I've worked on so far, and any stains in this carpet came out really easily. This front passenger well was probably the dirtiest. You can see me putting a little extra cleaner solution there, kind of in that front left area right there where I'm hitting, just because there was something was spilled there. It wasn't too bad though, like some of those other vehicles I've had, but you can see the solution of the water coming out of there is a little bit brown from the dirt and something that was spilled in that spot. These are definitely a first for me here. These Tinkerbell floor mats were kind of interesting. I did as best I could to get them cleaned off, but they were they weren't really a fabric, they weren't really all weather. It's kind of a combo of the two. And then I hit the rest of these floor mats with the pressure washer, got them really looking like new again. Next, I'll use my CarPro Inside and my detail brush to get this driver door looking very clean. I'll use my microfiber towel. Look at how dirty this door was here. With that microfiber was brand new when I started using it, and I make sure to hit every part of that door. Then I'll move to the center console, use the inside again, and here's that dirtiest part of the vehicle, this center armrest. I used my detail brush. It really foamed up nicely. Here's a very clean towel, and just take a look at how much dirt was on that center armrest. Nasty. Now I'm applying my 303 aerospace protectant to give it that finalized look. And this week, thanks to my subscriber James here, I remembered to hit that top part of the window, and reminder to go out and sub, and this detail is almost complete.
Well guys, got another vehicle finished here, this 2014 Buick LaCrosse. It looks really, really nice here inside. You remember at the beginning it was full of dust, it was full of dirt on the floor here, there was change all over the floor. We got this vehicle cleaned up for her. I sure hope she likes it. I'm going to deliver it here later tonight. Once she